All right, welcome back for some more two-step equations. And we'll start off with this guy. Just to review, remember that when you're doing two-step equations, you can do whatever you like: add, subtract, multiply, divide in any combination. The only thing is, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. So here, I like my a's on this side, so I've got positive 3 equals 11 to finish it. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to subtract 3 here. If I do it to one side, it needs to happen to the other. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to say 4a is equal to 8. So looking good so far. I just dropped that 4a. And remember, if you divide by the same number here, that takes that away. And then just make sure you do the same over here. And so a is going to equal 2. And as they say in French, voila. Mr. Quintana's in the house.
What
Hi,
are you
Mr.
doing,
Quintana.
brother?
I'm helping a student with algebra.
Over the phone? Remotely, huh?
No, I'm making.
And I really like the way he does this.
I'm making a video, and then I'll send him the video.
Oh, my bad.
That's
My
all right.
apologies.
Yeah, they're gonna laugh
Yeah.
when they see you. They're gonna be like, "Hey."
That's cool.
All right. So here, let's subtract 31. That's our first step here. Let's subtract 31 here, and so I'm gonna go 30. My second step, I got 15y. I'm just dropping that. Here, I'm just going to, again, divide by the same number. I bet you think this is getting repetitious, and that's okay. That means that you know what you're doing. Y is equal to 2. Now, we have a fraction, and as I said before, the only thing as scary as algebra is fractions, but not to worry. Remember, I told you just do it the same way. So I like my 12x here. Let's get this guy out of here, though. Let's move him. So that's easy. Let's just subtract that. 1/2 minus half is here. So here I'm going to have 12x left over. I do need to subtract, so 9 halves minus 1/2 leaves me 8 halves. Okay? All right. And at this point, we're going to divide. 12 divided by 12, 1 or 1x. A little kind of fraction reminder: when you divide by a whole number, I'm sorry, that should be a 12. When you divide by, oh no, I'm sorry, that's 8 halves, my bad. So when you divide by 12, we need to divide 8 halves by 12. This is how you do it. Remember, you change this to a multiplication sign, and the second one, the 12 over 1, becomes 1 over 12. And then we go about our business. So what we wind up with is 8 times 1 is 8, 2 times 12 is 24, final answer 8 over 24, or if you reduce that, becomes, 1 over 3. So, take away from this, don't fear the fractions.